Good afternoon and welcome to another Prokon Know-how episode. This is quite an odd one. It will deal with sizing industrial rain gutters or commercial rain gutters in the Prokon space, and it will just be a brief introduction into the module. If we see that it gains a bit of traction, we'll definitely do a deeper dive into the specific and quite unique module in the Prokon suite. So my name is Jacobus Oberholzer. I'm an AEC and Prokon technical consultant with Micrographics, and you'll also see my email address there on the current window or within the current window. You're welcome to contact me directly if you have any questions. Otherwise, pop them in the comment section, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more where this comes from. So yeah, so sizing industrial rain cutters is actually a workflow that is supported within the Prokon suite. An odd one in my mind, but it's there nonetheless. So let's go to our Prokon calc pad or home space and to the general tab. Over here, you'll see ProSec for calculating the cross-sectional properties of any cross-section. You've got the wind pressure analysis module that links in with Sumo and Frame very beautifully. You've got your sections and materials databases. And then finally, you've got an odd one out in terms of the entire suite, as mentioned before, and that is gutter size design G03. So I'll just launch gutter size design and we'll have a quick look at what is on offer within this module. So we've got two examples. We've got the eaves gutter example, so over there, and then we've got our valley gutter example, and there's our gutter and our different types modeled as well. But you see, you've got your roof dimensions, you've got your gutter and wind parameters, you've got your downpipe information and additional inflow. You've got some of your outlet types, so sharp edged, round edged, and tapered. And then you've got different downpipe sections as well, circular and square. So this is within the roof layout section. If you go to parameters and gutter dimensions, you've got your return period, your 2-minute M5 rainfall. So if you click on that, you've got United Kingdom and South Africa. So that's brilliant, actually. You've got a table to select from. You've got the design duration, the gutter top with B, gutter bottom with B, small letter S. So you can actually see them represented over here. You've got your gutter depth and your slope depth YD as well. You proceed from here to your analysis. You'll get a lot of information. The hydraulic information is available as well. You can see there as it's divided into sections that contribute to a specific downpipe. All right, so that's what you're seeing on screen there, and you can see it represented down here as well. Okay, recommended downpipe dimension outside gutter dimensions. So that's pretty darn cool. And then from here, we can actually proceed to our calc sheets. And there's a ton of information within the calc sheet, which is also brilliant. And you can see all of your checks are captured within the calc sheet as well. You can actually see quite a couple of OKs over there, which means that we should be 100% fine. You see a lot of information in here that is very, very useful. And although it's an odd one out within the Prokon suite, I think that this can be an incredibly helpful tool, especially if you're looking at adding a bit of value to your warehouse designs or even just structures with very large roofs. As we can know that, I mean, the runoff on those roofs can be insane. If you're thinking of the kind of rain that places like Cape Town are getting or the Western Cape is getting, then something like that becomes really important actually, because it can contribute significantly to the safety of the building actually, or at very least to the what would you call it, of the people walking underneath the sides of the structure. It can actually help a lot with directing that stormwater to where it should be and keeping it away from where it shouldn't be. So that's just a very brief introduction. As you can see, the calculations are comprehensive. There's a lot going on in here, and I don't know if we have more than one design code. So no, we've only got the one design code that this is working from. So that would be the reference. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the short introduction. Like I mentioned before, if you are interested in seeing more, please put some information in the comments. Please like this clip. And yeah, if we get enough traction, we'll definitely provide some more information on exactly how this module works and how to run through its entire workflow. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to check you out in future clips.